Welcome to CGA Chef Online. I am Chef Sally. Today we'll be discussing on flours, grains, and meals. This is a broad category that encompasses both grains such as rice and barley and milled products, refined products such as cornmeal and pastry meal. The fruits and seeds of cereal, grasses, and grains are highly versatile. Whole grains. They are grains that have not been milled at all. They usually have a shorter shelf life than the milled grains. The milled grains are polished to remove the germ, the bran, and the hull. They usually have a longer shelf life than the whole grains, but some of their nutritive value is lost during processing. Wheat. Each flour has its own characteristics, but wheat flour is the most common type used in a bake shop. It is only the flour that contains enough gluten-forming proteins to provide the structure essential to baked goods. The wheat kernel is made up of the following. Number 1, the bran. It consists of 13.5% of the total kernel weight. The bran is the outer dark coating of the wheat kernel and contains large amounts of insoluble dietary fiber. Number 2, endosperm. This consists of 83% of the total kernel weight. The endosperm is the internal portion of the wheat kernel and contains the largest amount of protein and starch. White flour is produced from the endosperm. Number 3, the germ. The germ consists of 2.5% of the total kernel weight. The germ is the embryo of the wheat kernel and contains fats, vitamins, and some proteins. We have different types of flour. All-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is a blend of hard and soft wheat flours milled from the endosperm of the wheat kernel. The protein content in all-purpose flour ranges from 8 to 12%. We have the bread flour. The bread flour is also known as patent flour, and it's a hard wheat flour which is made from the endosperm, which is used for breads and soft rolls. Its protein content ranges from 11 to 13%. The cake flour. The cake flour is a soft wheat flour with a protein content ranging from 6 to 9%. It's usually used for cakes and cookies. The clear flour. The clear flour is a hard wheat flour made from the endosperm. It has a darker color than the bread or high gluten flour and is typically used in rye breads. Durum flour. Durum flour is milled from the endosperm of the durum wheat kernel. It's a hard wheat flour used in bread making. Its protein content ranges from 12 to 14%. The high gluten flour. This is milled from the entire endosperm. It is used for bagels, hard rolls. The protein content is typically 13 to 14%. Pastry flour. This has a high protein content ranging from 8 to 10%. It's usually used for pie crusts, muffins, and some biscuits as well as pastries. The semolina flour. This is more coarse than the ground durum wheat flour, which is used for pasta making.